Hello, good morning. Myself is Imran Khan. Today we discuss about here another types of natural resources on the basis of renewability renewability there are two types of resources on the basis of renewability. First is renewable resources. So what is renewable resources? Those resources which are produced, otherwise which are got replenished quickly, which are got replenished quickly or renewed are known as renewable resources. Those resources which are renewed or got replenished quickly are known as renewable resources. Okay. Examples: solar energy, wind energy, geothermal energy. Okay. These resources are unlimited in stocks. ठीक है. Second is these resources are non-exhaustible. These resources are non-exhaustible. It means quickly replenished. And renewed in few times. Okay, these are called renewable resources. For example, solar energy, wind energy, geothermal energy, and natural vegetation and forest and wildlife, animals, etc. are the example of renewable resources. Okay. Next is non-renewable resources. Non-renewable resources, non renewable resources. Okay, non renewable resources, such type of resources which are not renewed which are not renewed or replenished and take a millions of years to formation of their are called as renewable resource. Okay, such type of resources which are not renewed or replenished in quickly. Okay, and take a million of years to formation of their. It means इनके फॉर्मेशन में जो है, अगर एक बार ये अर्थ से, हमारे इन्वायरमेंट से एक बार अगर ये एग्जॉस्ट हो गए, एक बार अगर ये ख़त्म हो गए, फिनिश हो गए, तो इनका जो है, इनको बनने में जो है लाखों वर्षों का, मिलियंस ऑफ ईयर का जो टाइम है वो लगेगा. ठीक है, तो इसलिए इनको कहते हैं नॉन रिन्यूएबल रिसोर्सेज. These resources are limited in stocks. ये रिसोर्सेज क्या होते हैं? लिमिटेड होते हैं. स्टॉक जो है इनका क्या होता है? बहुत लिमिट में होता है. ठीक है, these resources are limited in stocks. These resources are exhaustible. It means these resources are exhaustible. It means if these resources finished on the earth's surface, then we cannot get quickly in lapse of time. ठीक है, and examples, for example, metallic minerals and non-metallic minerals are the examples of these resources, as like gold, aluminium, copper, iron, etc. Okay, next is the next type of natural resources is on the basis of ownership. ओनरशिप के बेस पे जो है रिसोर्सेज जो है वो 4 टाइप्स के होते हैं। कितने टाइप्स के होते हैं भाई? 4 टाइप्स के होते हैं। फर्स्ट इज, तो लिखेंगे इसमें, देर आर 4 type of resources. Next category of natural resources is on the basis of ownership. ओके, ओनरशिप के बेस पे नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज जो है वो 4 टाइप्स के होते हैं। कितने टाइप्स के होते हैं बेटा? 4 टाइप्स के। ओके, फर्स्ट इज, जैसे लिखेंगे, देर आर 4 टाइप्स ऑफ resources on the basis of ownership, as like first is individual or private owned resources. Okay, individual or private owned resources. What is the definition of private owned resources? Resources which are owned means use, right of use. Ownership means right of use. So resources which are owned by an individual or any group of individuals are called as individual resources.